Willkommen am Lighthouse Tower.
Doesn't matter.
Bevor Sie Platz nehmen, legen Sie bitte alle losen Gegenstände, die während der Fahrt herabfallen können, wie Kameras, Brillen, Handys und Taschen, im Regal.
Pick one, I guess.
Welcome at Lighthouse
Alright.
Tower. Please place
Or
all
is
these
it? Oh, inside, outside, doesn't matter.
on the shelf at the tower center.
Oh, no more safety belt. Interesting.
No more what?
It's a normal safety belt. It's not the clicking thing.
Yeah, you got the one between two? Yeah.
Oh, there you go. We got a German song, I think.
Justin's wandering up. Yay.
Oh, no. Bye, Justin.
The dark ride?
He says the dark ride's good. All right, we will do
Where
the
is
dark.
the dark ride?
We must do the dark ride then. Oh,
What
look
dark
at
ride?
hey, nice trees. That's a nice place.
There's a lot of trees over there.
Looks like they got a water ski show. Yeah, I can never understand when people are afraid of these things. They're kind of relaxing.
I love these. Nice view.
Farmland.
I really wish they could
mountains.
give me a camera up here, though. That'd be great.
Oh, pirate ship over there.
Log flume over there.
That's kind of like a remote pirate ship to stick out there in the middle of nowhere.
Looks like they still have a lot of land they're not using yet. Lots like this all over the place. And it looks like they've been expanding pretty rapidly lately. A lot of these rides they have are not old, they're new.
Mm-hmm.
Skyrocket 2s, those haven't been around a long time. That airplane ride there hasn't been around a huge amount of time. These haven't been around a huge amount of time.
We're really on two big rides here, then.
What the hell is that?
Why? What?
The conglomerate of buildings over there. Take a look over the right next time we go up over the trees again.
Okay.
Going back up. Keep watching on right after you pass the coaster. Right there. What the hell?
Oh, the little building, like a hotel or something, or what?
Look. It's like mobile homes, warehouses, all together.
Oh, okay.
Like one connect one to the next.
Oh, that was over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's maybe it's the park offices. They look kind of like these buildings.
Justin, where is the dark ride?
Maybe it's that Frankenstein thing.
Frankenstein thing?
Yeah, the one we walked past. I was like, what's that thing? Frankenstein.
Oh, okay.
That's probably the dark ride. Unless it's some sort of clown thing.
Anyone riding alone? He's looking for a friend. They probably don't speak English. They probably don't want to talk to you.
Willkommen am Lighthouse Tower. Bevor Sie Platz nehmen, legen Sie bitte alle losen Gegenstände, die während der Fahrt herabfallen können, wie Kameras,
To Baywatch?
Handys und Taschen, im Regal am Schuhe ab. Welcome at Lighthouse Tower. Please place all these
Baywatch.
items, such as phones and glasses,
Hasselhoff.
on the shelf at the tower center.
David Hasselhoff.
Hasselhoff.
Ja.